Okay, sometimes it's a good idea to clean tissue about optic nerve, this cord. So I cut, remove excessive fat, continue to clean, because I have to show you eyeball without fat and without muscles. Okay, here is close to eyeball. Be careful, do not penetrate inside of the eyeball. We do it later. Fat, then optic nerve, still here. Again, one more layer. Dark color, it's muscle of eye, 6 muscles. Let's continue to clean. Continue to clean muscles. Okay, this layer, you see it's away, move it away from eyeball. One layer, then another layer. So let me continue to cut. It's most difficult part to clean tissue around eyeball. So optic nerve, you see, we reveal it partially. Okay, still cut. Muscle almost done. Just a little bit clean muscles. Let's take a look. Fat, little bit fat around eyeball. Then here is excessive tissue. All right. So it's a pretty well. A little bit fat over here. Yes, I pull it, reveal more. Okay, and muscle layer as well. This reddish in the color are muscles which support eye. Okay, almost done. Now external structures, guys, just a little bit more. External structures, it would be optic nerve, this one, then cornea. Cornea is like a window. I squeeze it because this eye almost empty from inside. This is why I have to squeeze to show you cornea. This is cornea. It's like transparent part of sclera. Sclera, outer avascular layer. This one, sclera. So sclera is opaque. This is why cornea is transparent, otherwise we would be blind. So cornea, sclera, optic nerve. Dissection. Now we will dissect and reveal internal structures. How to dissect eyeball? If you take a look, approximately it's somewhere in the middle of eyeball. We have to make a hole somewhere over here. Sometimes if eyeball is good in a shape, then it should be more light part, more dark part and light part, and somewhere in the middle make a hole with better to with scalpel, just because it's I'm here already because scalpel is new, and but in reality it's slightly rigid to make a hole. So you make a hole, and now with scissors insert scissors in this hole and cut. I make a circular cut to create two pieces of eye. Circular cut. Can you see it? Okay. Let me change scissors. And also at the same time, guys, pay attention that it's leakage from eye. It's aqueous humor. Aqueous humor is in anterior cavity produced by ciliary body. And I continue. You see it's a rigid. Now it's more rigid part of sclera. Sclera resemble for dura mater in a brain, which covers brain. Durable, very durable. And finally, you may see that I have two pieces. Let's take a look what we have inside. Vitreous humor, unfortunately, is not just a remnant of vitreous humor, which support shape of eye in posterior cavity, but small amount of vitreous humor left in my eye. I hope you will have better vitreous humor. Vitreous humor resemble for jellyfish, like this one, jellyfish. Our eye has only remnant of vitreous humor. This is why I just clean it. I show you. Now I clean this part of eye to reveal some internal structures. Let me clean it, dry and clean it. Okay, opening is pupil. Can you see this opening? Pupil. Then you may see structure, circular structure, resemble and like cilia, with cilia. This is named ciliary body. Ciliary body release aqueous humor and also support and accommodate lens. This is lens. If I put it over here, usually accommodate lens. And slightly, it's a rigid structure, slightly resemble, if association memory, I apologize, slightly resemble for candy. So, lens, ciliary body, pupil. Now, 3 layers of eyeball. 3 layers here. It would be sclera, outer layer, white part. Then let's take a look over here. Sclera, outer part. Then it would be choroid. Sclera is avascular, no blood vessels, but from internal structure, from inside, it's covered with choroid. This one, dark, slightly brownish dark color. Choroid has very good blood supply. Then layer which absent in human it's a shiny layer, cyan or bluish in color, greenish bluish color. It's named tapetum lucidum. It reflects night light in animals. You know that animals' eyes visible at night time. You will not see in the bushes. You will not see human, but you will see animal in bushes because they reflect night light, and this is named tapetum lucidum, which is not present in a human. And another layer very important with photoreceptors, it would be retina. This one, it's very fragile, retina. And you just touch and it shrink right away with photoreceptors. Retina or retina, and extra information. Point of attachment optic nerve to the inner part of the eyeball, it's named optic disc. I show you, just take a look, like from, can you see that retina is hanging on optic disc? Can you see it? Retina is hanging on optic disc. Just I remove retina, I remove it, and optic disc would be visible. Take a look. This is optic disc. Point of attachment of optic nerve, and usually when the eye doctor make observation, this is they call it blind spot because here is no photoreceptors in optic disc. So that's it.